So this is me before I lost 70 pounds. This is my beautiful friend Hannah, who has also lost 70 pounds. Hannah and I teamed up and we basically built the program that we wish had been there for us when we started our plant-based weight loss journeys. It would have saved us so much time, effort, and energy. This is my bestie, Nicole. She's lost over 100 pounds using the information, tools, and principles that you learn in our weight loss program. So our program is currently 80% off for the Black Friday season. It's the largest sale we have ever had. It's one time only, includes over 70 comprehensive videos where we outline and show you and explain to you in detail every single thing you need to know about plate building, how to arrange your meals, everything in between to be successful long term. It also includes our detailed Lean for Life ebook that has over 100 recipes that are color coded to help you along your way. You also get access to our private online support community should you decide to use it. And that's where you get to meet other individuals on their weight loss journeys just like you. Our program has helped thousands of people lose weight and keep it off. We hear daily from individuals whose lives have been changed forever by the information that we share in this course. So if you want to check it out, click the link in my bio or go straight to our website at eatmorewayless.co.